Are you struggling to get approved for affiliate offers on WarriorPlus? You're not alone. Most beginners apply and get denied. No sales history, no list, no chance. But what if you could skip all that and get instant approval for high-converting affiliate offers even if you've never made a sale? This is exactly what Warrior Affiliate gives you. And the best part? It's just $1. Warrior Affiliate is a step-by-step training system created by six-figure marketer Kevin Fahey. Inside, you'll learn how to get approved instantly for multiple WarriorPlus products, launch your first promotion without needing a website or email list, use AI tools to write your emails, create content, and drive free traffic. Turn that $1 offer into recurring commissions using smart promo strategies. No fluff, no gimmicks, just a proven path to getting started fast. And yes, this works even if you're brand new. You'll follow along with over-the-shoulder training videos, use Kevin's plug-and-play templates, and even get access to AI-powered prompt packs to shortcut your content creation. Plus, you're covered by a full 365-day money-back guarantee. That means you can test everything for an entire year, and if it's not for you, no problem. So if you've been spinning your wheels, wondering how to break into affiliate marketing, this is your shortcut. Click the link in the description to get Warrior Affiliate for just $1. That's right, one to unlock your first high-converting campaign with no risk. Take the shortcut. Start earning faster. Your first commission could be just one email away.